Imagine a food so powerful it could boost your brain, strengthen your body, and even improve your eyesight. Sounds impossible? Well, meet the humble egg. This little wonder is a versatile powerhouse, brimming with essential vitamins, minerals, and proteins. It's a culinary chameleon, fitting in effortlessly from breakfast to dinner, snacks to desserts. And yet, its true potential is often overlooked. So, ready to crack open the truth about eggs? Let's dive in. Benefit number 1, eggs are a brain booster. Indeed, science has shown us that eggs are a treasure trove of choline, a nutrient that plays a pivotal role in brain development and function. This essential nutrient aids in creating neurotransmitters, which are vital for healthy brain communications. It's like your brain's own personal language translator. So next time you're cracking open an egg for breakfast, remember, you're not just feeding your body, but nourishing your brain too. So an egg a day could indeed keep the brain doctor away. Benefit number 2. Eggs are a protein powerhouse. Let's delve into this. Nature has packed eggs with high-quality protein, crucial for both muscle growth and repair. This protein is easily absorbed by your body, making it an excellent source of this essential nutrient. It's like taking a direct protein shot, but in the most delicious way possible. So, whether you're a gym enthusiast or just looking for a health boost, eggs have got you covered. Eggs, therefore, are the perfect fuel for your fitness journey. Benefit number 3, eggs enhance your eyesight. You see, eggs are like mini power packs for our peepers. They're loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 potent antioxidants. These superheroes wage a constant war against harmful free radicals, protecting your eyes from age-related disorders. Think of it as your body's natural sunglasses, shielding your vision from the harsh glare of time. So, eggs aren't just a treat for your taste buds, they're a feast for your eyes. So, eggs could be your ticket to maintaining crystal clear vision. Benefit number 4, eggs are heart helpers. Now you might have heard some chatter about eggs and cholesterol. Let's clear the air. Eggs do carry cholesterol, but it's the good kind known as HDL. This friendly cholesterol travels through your bloodstream and helps to remove harmful cholesterol. The result? A potential reduction in your risk of heart diseases. So don't shy away from that omelette or scrambled egg breakfast. Enjoy your eggs, and they might just help keep your heart ticking along nicely. Benefit number 5, eggs are Weight Watchers. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs pull a double duty in controlling your appetite. You see, protein takes longer to digest, keeping you satiated and reducing the urge to snack between meals. Plus, it helps to build lean muscles, which in turn speeds up your metabolism. So, by incorporating eggs into your diet, you are not only providing essential nutrients to your body, but also aiding in weight management. Eggs could therefore be your secret weapon in the battle of the bulge. Benefit number 6, eggs are skin savers. Down to their core, eggs are a bountiful source of B vitamins and other nutrients. What does this mean for you? These vitamins, particularly biotin and vitamin B12, play a vital role in maintaining healthy skin and hair. They help in cell regeneration and even ward off premature aging, giving your skin that youthful, radiant glow. So, if you're on the hunt for the key to a glowing complexion and luscious locks, eggs could be your answer. Eggs then could be the key to your glowing complexion and luscious locks. Benefit number 7, eggs are bone builders. Now here's the thing about eggs. They're packed with vitamin D. This isn't just your everyday nutrient. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in maintaining bone health, aiding in calcium absorption to keep your skeleton strong and sturdy. But it doesn't stop there. Vitamin D also bolsters your immune function, helping your body fight off those pesky bugs. So, eggs can support not just your bones, but your overall health too. Benefit number 8, eggs are mood makers. They're packed with tryptophan, an essential amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, a key hormone that helps stabilize our mood, feelings of well-being, and happiness. Not only that, but this fantastic amino acid also promotes better sleep by contributing to the production of melatonin, the hormone that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. So next time you're feeling a little low or restless, remember an egg might just be what you need. Eggs, therefore, could be your natural mood booster and sleep enhancer. So there you have it. 8 science-backed reasons to eat eggs every day, from boosting your brain power and enhancing your eyesight, to helping your heart and watching your weight, not to mention saving your skin, building your bones, and making your mood. The humble egg is not just a kitchen staple, it's a daily dose of health, so why not whisk one into your diet today? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Until next time, stay excellent.